let's start a quick video on Moodle. We have actually the Moodle help file, like the e-class help file, but it has a tons of files to read, and I always believe that video is more efficient than reading documents. So I actually went through those documents, and I felt, okay, let's implement some examples by creating a sample account. I have administrative account, like instructor access to some courses, but I don't want to touch on those Moodle page, because if I do a mess up, then the professor will be very frustrated. So I thought, okay, let's create a sample account on Moodle Cloud. If we go to Moodle Cloud, they have a couple of plans. So let's start with choose a plan here, and if you see there, you will see that there's a free trial, which is like $0. So they will give $45 trial, 45 days trial. So I get started from here, and I create my own Moodle account and website. You see, amin.moodlecloud.com. So I customize this Moodle site name, and I will just do some test based on those documents we have on IT Help Desk. So first of all, I'm the admin of this Moodle site. So let's go to site administration. I will create some sample users. So here we see a couple of tabs, administrative tabs. So let's go to users first, and I want to add a new user. Let's create some sample users. Say test user, username test user. Then let's generate a password. Say 1 2 3 4 5 6. I want to see the password, and I want to force the students to change the password, right? So let's first name is sample. What is it? Test one. Test. So name is user. Email address. I have to give a valid email address. So let's. I use my own passport email. Then I'm good to go. And if I press create user, okay, so I create another user. Okay, that's my admin email. Okay, so this is a test user. Okay, I can edit by clicking here, or if I want to delete the user, that's fine. Okay, and let's create some courses. So if you go to site administration, course, say I want to add a new course. So course full name, say for example, I am creating a course named daily Moodle demo, right? And this is the course date. Actually, it gives kind of maybe 4 months course or 6 months course. I just keep it as by default. So I leave it as it is. You can add some pictures of the course, that's fine. So course format, there's topic format, or there's some weekly format. I leave it as it is. And there's 4 sections. Let's make it 6 sections. Appearance, that's fine. Number of announcement, file and uploads. So there is a site upload limit. So let's leave it by default 100 megabyte. Completion tracking, I don't want groups, not yet, role renaming, that's fine. I will leave it as it is. Save and display. So it will create a course on my Moodle page. If I go to my home page, I see the yearly Moodle demo is created. Now I want to enroll some students on this course, right? Let's go to that course, and I see this, the 6 topic format. Now if I want to enroll some students, participants, I go to participants, then enroll users. I will be able to see the list of people here. Say test user, I want to add this student as a student, enroll user, Then I can also add myself, as admin, either a student or manager, teacher, enroll user. So far they're active, and when they access the courses, you will able to see when they log in, right? Now let's try to make some contents on the course. Okay, so here I see some like announcement, right? So if I go to announcement, before I go there, I have to turn editing on. Okay, if I go to announcement, I can create some announcement for the students, which can be some interactive, but set a new topic. So I can say, for example, welcome. So this is just a simple message. So here's some advanced option. There is an option says I can post instantly. Okay, send forum post notification with no editing time delay. If I click there, it will be instantly post. If I don't click there, it will be give you 30-minute time to edit your post. I don't want to edit, so post to forum. Okay, so the post will be mailed out immediately. If I don't click that option, it will show the 30 minutes times. That's fine. Okay, so one announcement is created. Let's go to the course homepage now. Now we see topic. So I can change this name by clicking there and go to the new page, or if I click this pencil button, I can write down here, for example, lectures, right? Then press enter, lectures, and maybe another topic is say lab. Say another topic I want to make as probably attendance. Then let's make some virtual meeting. Then I have in mind my assignment, right? Then I will want to take a some midterm exam, and so on and so forth. Okay, so I want to add some course outline under this announcement tab. So if I want to add any things, you have to click here, add an activity or resources, and I will be able to see a list of activity or resources. As I want to upload the course outline, which is a PDF, so I have to select file here. Okay, so I want to make the name as course outline. Let's copy and paste here. Display, and there is a drag and drop option. Upload a file, choose file, and I want to select from this location. So this is my course outline. I have some sample file. This is the same file I named differently. Okay, so all rights reserved for this file. So here you go. And course outline, there's appearance option. So let's make it differ, show more, show size. If I want to show the size or type of the file, it will show everything. Go on module settings. Okay, let's save and return to courses. So it will show on the home page, so it shows the size and PDF document, course outline. Then let's create some lectures, right? So if I want to add the lectures, I have to click the add an activity or resources button, and lectures will be either PowerPoint slide or PDF. So it should be file. So I name it lecture 1. Similarly, I add the lecture files. There you go. Yeah, I can add also, the doc file or Microsoft like PowerPoint slides. Say if I want to do the labs, I can do it similarly, like lab resources, or for our case, like we have health and safety presentations, so we can add, those health and safety presentation slides, also the lab manual. So let's say here's lab 1. So it's kind of repeating same thing. Okay, so now let's go to attendance. Sometimes some courses attendance is important when actually they have physical classes. I'm not sure how they deals with those, but we have these options, actually to include attendance. Okay, I don't see attendance here. I guess we are not that much concerned about it. Okay, so let's discard about this attendance for now. Then virtual meeting, right? So let's keep it below. Virtual meeting. So if I want to have a the lab or classes live meeting, so we can make through Zoom, right? So for our Zoom case, we have to go, our Zoom account, yourcube.zoom.us, and we can create our meeting here. So let's make a schedule a meeting. So lecture 1 meeting, right? If you want to make on Tuesday 2 p.m. for an hour, we can keep, we can either keep passcode or not. Video on, it enable an entry. We save changes and we copy the invitation from here. Copy invitation, right? Actually, you can just, I think, copy the link probably. Let's see, paste on some more time. So here we have the meeting, right? Okay, so now let's paste the link here on the Moodle page. So to add an activity, so we have some URL option. So that is lecture 1 meeting. External URL, because I paste here. Save and return. Okay, lecture 1 meeting. If I click here, it will open this Zoom window, right? Now let's create some assignment. Here is the assignment option. I select, then it will ask you to assignment 1. I can add some instruction here. Due by when we things, or some specific date, right? Then I can upload the assignment from here to this assignment 1, upload the file. Okay, so here I can also show the availability of this assignment. So this is open from now till 1 week, right? By default showing 1 week. I can show the due date here. Remind me for grading is fine. Assignment type, file submission, maximum number of uploaded file, because we don't have I think server or storage issue, so I don't want to let them upload multiple files, so I will let them probably just upload one file, and maximum submission file size is, say, leave it maximum 1 megabyte. XR file format, let's choose all types of files so that they don't have any issue with the types. Submission settings, I leave it as it is. Notification grade, point 100 point, okay, so I leave it as it is. So 7 return. Similarly, we have if I want to add some midterm things, then we have quiz, I guess, right? Yes. So we can create our own questions, multiple questions, or other some short question answers. So this is midterm exam. This is a sample. So timing, here, if the quiz is open maybe in 1 month from now, so we'll enable this like from now to, say, 10 November, right? 10 November, and close date is 3 hours. 10 November from here, 10 November 2020. So let's say for 2 to 4 p.m. right? So 2 to 10 November, 2 to 5 p.m. I think it should be 17, and it should be 14. Yeah, 2 p.m. 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Time limit enable. So let's give it 180 minutes, right? When time expires, and submit, open submits, submit automatically. Okay. Grade, I can set up the grades from here, layout, every question, so it can be all questions on one page or multiple pages. Question behavior, shuffle, you can shuffle the questions. All right. Review questions, appearance, show the user's pictures, no, that's fine. Save exam browsers, there are a lot of options actually, I didn't go through too much. Restriction, sometimes I can lock the browser, I can restrict the browsers, kind of things. Hopefully save and return. Okay, I'm not doing for attendance for now, so that's it. And once I'm done, just turn everything off, right? So this is from teacher's perspective, how to populate a Moodle course, right, for an instructor. Now I want to see how I see this course as a student, right? So let's I have opened another browser, and as I create one user named Sam test user. So let's so I create the password 123456. If I hit login, okay, I log in. Now it shows that I have to change my password. So let's make the new password as 654321. Current password 123456. New password is 654321. Save changes. So it will show actually a couple of agreement. Password has to change. Continue. Some policy notice, right? So we have to go through this and we have to agree, right? Next. Some cookie policies. Next. So I have to agree those policies. Here you go. So I should be able to see the course. Here you go. So I am enrolled to that course, yearly Moodle demo. So I have all the courses on my home page or dashboard. If I go to the course, I will be able to see everything that is created. Here you go. So there is no editing option right now because I'm a student and have limited access. So I want to see what types of announcement is given here. Okay, so here I see that there is an announcement made by the instructor, and he says that the students welcome to the courses. Okay, good. Then course outline. So here there is two options. I can allow the students to directly download or open in a new browser. So yeah, it can be changed, right? So this is just a sample PDF file I just uploaded for showing. So I can get this course outline. I can see this lectures, labs, everything, and then lecture 1 meeting, right? If the professor can, I also mentioned the time here, what time. So according to the time, I can click the lecture 1 meeting. So it wants to open, the Zoom options. Let's go back. Okay, that's how I will be able to join the meeting, right? The assignment. So assignment due by 1 week. If the professor wish, he can specifically give the date here. So if I want to submit my assignment, let's go to assignment 1. Here I see, I can download this assignment 1 in my new browser. It save me tell me to save the file. So I can save somewhere, and I can do my work. I can do my assignment, and when I want to submit, I click Add Submission. Okay, so here is an option. I can upload my work. Right, upload a file. So I browse desktop. I don't know what is. So here, for example, I license not specified. So for example, let's just upload this file. Okay, then save changes. That's how I can submit for grading, right? And here is some options: edit submission, remove submission. So as an instructor, I can edit those options. I may give them chance to edit or submit a couple of times, or I can take away this option so that once submission is done, that's done. So let's go to the courses again. Then I see that midterm, right? So if I go to midterm exam, I'll see that it says the quiz will not available until November 10. That's how it is scheduled, right? Once November 10 comes, then I will be able to open those sections. Okay, so let's go back to instructor page. Here I can make some change to the settings. For example, let's see the assignment now. Here you see the student submitted, so I see that participant is 1. So I can see all the submission from here. How many students here? Here, test users, the student already submitted, so I can grade those students here. Right, grade. So it's a very good job done. So I give him 95 out of 100. Save changes. Okay, so let's go back to page again. Now if I go my student page to assignment section, probably I will be able to see that the assignment is marked. Which is graded. Somewhere it should be able to. Okay, so here you go. So grade is 95. Graded by those course teachers. And also let's then I have the midterm. If I want to make any edit in the midterm. For example, I want to make the midterm available now. Okay, so there's the date, and also I can edit quiz, right? Like what types of questions I want to set up. Okay, here you go. A new questions. So I can add like calculated different things. I have options here, right? Essay type, multiple choice, numerical, a lot of things. I don't want to spend more time on this. Just okay. If I want to change the timing, semi-term, let's do the edit settings. Then I can change the appearance from here. Appearance is timing. So say I want to make the quiz available now. Right. So set changes. And say I just create a sample, like 1 or 2 questions, so that I can see from a student's profile, right? So add quiz. Add new questions. So essay type questions. Add. Okay, question name. Are you an international student? Very simple questions. This is P1, so default mark is 1. Estimated, let's leave it as it is. So I can save changes and continue editing. Let's save changes just. Okay, so now let's go to my student profile, and I want to see if I can see those questions. So this is midterm. Let's go to midterm. I should be able to see now, but the quiz is not available until Saturday, 10 October, 2 p.m. Oh, so I also have to change the timing of the midterm. Here setting. So it's not 2 p.m. I want to make available from right now, right? So this is 2:50 a.m. So 2 a.m. So okay. Now let's go back to my student profile. Let's do a refresh. If I can see, attempt the quiz. Okay, so it's open now. So I can now attempt the quiz. Start attempt. So it says that it's a 3-hour questions, right? Okay, so are you an interested student? Yes. So that's the first questions. Finish attempt, and it shows the timing here at the right side. How much time I have left. Okay, there's only one question to submit all and finish. Submit and finish. That's it. Now from the teacher side, I can go and check that the sum with the students is attempts is 1. Alright. So I see that overall 1 attempt, and the statistics here. So this user actually attempted the quizzes, so I can review this attempt and mark the quizzes, right? Attempt finish things. Yeah, so there are a lot of options I did not explore, but I see this as options to marking automatically by this Moodle quiz. Okay, so another thing interesting, I see that there is a live class option as well besides Zoom. For example, say I am saying it. Live class, and there is an option in the live class. If I go to live class, okay, add an activity and resources, there is a big blue button, BN. So if you click here, Okay, so that's live class 7 return, and student will be able to see this. Here's a live class. If I go to live class, it will show me join session. So if I click here, it will ask me to enable my camera, microphone. So Moodle has is integrated live virtual classes option as well. So I can allow my microphone, and also there are a couple of options here. Okay, it's doing the echo test. Then also video camera, I can turn on the video camera. I can do my screen sharing from here. So here the screen sharing. So there are a few options here. I can do the public chat, share notes, a lot of things here as well. Besides, like if I don't want to use Zoom, I can use this virtual live class option from Moodle. Okay, so that's it so far. Sorry for making this big video. I wanted to make it short, but the features I have to cover. Hopefully it will be a good reference point if I want to populate things on Moodle. For any questions we can discuss in the meeting. So I'm going to finish the video. Thank you for watching.